Hello everyone. Today I'm going to show you how to make Handvo. Handvo is a Gujarati delicacy made with fermented rice and lentil batter filled with the goodness of fresh vegetables. Let's start. I have 1 cup of rice, 1/4 cup of tur lentil, half a cup of chana lentil, 2 tablespoons of urad lentil. Soak rice and lentils in water for 2 hours. Let's wash. Let's grind washed lentils and rice. I'm gonna add half a cup of yogurt in it. See, I'm not adding a drop of water in it. See, we need very smooth paste like this. I'm pouring the batter in a bowl. Now we will grind the remaining lentils and rice. Wow, our batter is looking so beautiful. Leave the batter aside for 2 hours for fermentation. 2 hours over, let's check. Wow, the batter is looking very smooth and silky. Now I'm gonna add vegetables and masalas in this batter. I'm adding 1 cup of grated carrot and 1 cup of grated bottle gourd, 1 teaspoon of ginger paste, 1 teaspoon of green chili paste, half a teaspoon of turmeric, 1 teaspoon of salt. Mix everything well, like this. You can use your favorite vegetables in it. We need these ingredients when we cook our handvo on tawa. I'm gonna take out a little batter for 1 piece of handvo, like this. See, I'm gonna add a half a packet, or you can take a half a teaspoon of elo for fermentation. Take a pan, turn the heat on a medium heat. I'm gonna add 1 tablespoon of ghee in the pan. Spread the ghee all around on this pan, like this. See, I have 1 teaspoon of mustard seeds and sesame seeds, but we are going to use only half a teaspoon of these seeds and half we will use later. I will show you. 1 pinch of asafoetida, and you can say hing, some curry leaves, and saute for 1 minute. See, all the seeds looking light golden brown. Now at this point, I'm gonna pour batter in the pan, like this. Cover the pan. Turn the heat on a very low. Cook for 7 minutes. Seven minutes over, let's check. Wow, what a lovely aroma. Let's take this out from the pan. Now we need to cook other side of this handvo. Remember, we saved these seeds. Now we will use these seeds here, like this, for other side of this handvo. Now we are cooking other side of this handvo, like this. Flip it gently, like this. Cover the pan for more 7 minutes on low heat for other side of this handvo, like this. 7 minutes over, let's check. See, our rich protein breakfast is ready. This dish is very healthy and very tasty. Who are going to try this recipe? I will wait for your comment. Bye for now. Bye-bye.